बहन, ये जब तुम शूट कर रही थी तो कितना शेजवान चटनी और डोसा साथ में तुमने खाया, और इधर अलाउड?
एक्चुअली वो काफ़ी ट्रिकी था क्योंकि मुझे एक्शन करना था एंड आई हैड टू नॉट ईट अ लॉट, बट खा लिया मैंने थोड़ा सा.
हाँ. And also since it's Ching's secret and so many people are here for a secret, Sri Leela, हम आपसे एक कोई भी secret जानना चाहेंगे. Then I will tell them one which of course you told me backstage about the but I'll tell you. No, you tell me one secret.
क्या बोलूँ, आप क्या जानना चाहते हो? I think.
नहीं, ये कभी ऑडियंस से कभी नहीं पूछ रहे थे क्या जानना चाहते हो, क्योंकि it's over. वो तो बहुत कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. All right, I have one for you. Sri Leela is, by the way, a doctor. आप लोगों को पता था ये बात? Yes. So that's a secret that there are a lot of people who didn't know that. Would you prescribe Ching's secret to us?
Ching's? I mean, I would probably have to if they want to add some spice to their lives.
Who doesn't in this city? Yes. Tell me how it was. This whole experience, like we're saying, it's going to be an ad. It's a world premiere that this audience gets to see first. How was it for you working with Atlee and Agent Ching?
Agent Ching, नहीं बहुत मजा आया मुझे, and I think ये obviously ad वाला feeling नहीं था because it was shot so grandly, and especially Atlee sir, I've been a huge fan of his work since his film Raja Rani, so that's been my favorite, and I've always wanted to work with him. So हमने start किया CAD के साथ.
What a great hit.
And Ranveer sir, I think मैं स्क्रीन पे देखी थी कि he has amazing energy, infectious energy, and मैं बहुत curious थी कि off screen कैसे रहेंगे. And then I realized आते ही वो बस माहौल बन जाता था. So I'm so glad that I got to do this with them.
माहौल बहन अब यहाँ पर भी बनने वाला है, you guys, in a little bit, but before that, our gorgeous, very super talented Sri Leela के लिए जोरदार. All right, thank you so much, Sri Leela. Moving on, it's so wonderful. The people have been waiting to get a glimpse of you. Thank you for being here with us.
It's been. कैसे हैं सब लोग? सब फर्स्ट क्लास? सबको दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से और मेरी फैमिली की तरफ से. एक किस्म से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर भी है ना. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली.
All right, it's so good to see you here, looking very dapper as always. Bobby, you have to tell us कि हर बार हम आपको देखते हैं आजकल, and you are in a different रूप, a different avatar. What does it feel?
और क्या कहूँ, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि चिंग का हिस्सा बनूंगा मैं, और अभी पता चला कि 10 साल से रणवीर इसकी ऐड कर रहा है. That's amazing. 10 साल, decade. Amazing. So I'm just happy कि मुझे श्री लीला और एटली के साथ काम करने को मिला और रणवीर के साथ मौका मिला.
Yes. Yes. So it was a good experience. We're about to see. What are we about to see, sir? What are we about to see? आपका एक और अवतार होगा, sir. Just wondering.
वो तो मैंने भी नहीं देखा अभी तक, सिर्फ शूट किया.
All right. I love it when the actor gets surprised himself. So thank you so much, Bobby Deol. Everybody, put your hands together.
श्री लीला, मेरी गलती हो गई. श्री लीला. I'm really sorry. I get confused sometimes, but I think. Sorry.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you. Please, I'll ask you to wait on stage while we call the man behind the madness, the magician who has brought things to life, the man who said, "Bede se milne se pehle baap se baat kar." That one, the very same one who's bringing so much panache to our cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only Atlee. और everybody जो यहाँ पर है, आप कुछ शब्द कहना चाहेंगे?
I didn't get you.
Would you like to say a few words about this fabulous collaboration that you've done? This is the first time that you're directing an ad film.
Yeah.
It's larger than life. You've done it for Ching's Secret.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone, and happy Diwali to everyone. And this is my first ad film. Really, I'm very thankful to Ajay Gupta ji and Deepika ma'am for bringing Ching's to me. When they called for the first time and they checked with my team, I said, I don't think so. I have time. Then Ajay sir wanted to meet me. He met me, he didn't ask anything. After seeing him, I couldn't say anything to him. I said, yes sir, let's do it. So he's such a very godly mindset and a very calm guy. And then later I met Deepika ma'am. She's another level and such a sweet team. They brought a lot of stuff to me, and thanks to the team, and a special thanks to RS sir, Ranveer sir. He's an amazing guy. I can never say no to him, and he's in one word I have to say, Ranveer means it's entertainment. So I took it on my hand and I tried my level best, and God is so kind. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. I hope you all love it. Thank you.
All right, the masala to the next. I mean, what can I say about the next? Ab jinka intazar. Yes is a good way to say. Thank you for changing this into a pan-India banger. North ka masala, South ka madness. But now, before we show you the ad, which is pure fire, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for is here. Kindly calm down. You are all Patakas, the face of this brand for over a decade, and in that time he has not just represented it, he has redefined it. He has also defined performances in this decade. Chahe Hindi cinema mein Bajirao ho, Bajirao Mastani ho, Padmavat ho, Simba ho, Gully Boy ho, Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी हो, या फिर अब एजेंट चिंग हो. Singh is king, Singh is Ching, and Ching is Singh. Fiery, full of flavor, just like the brand itself. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because I think this place is about to explode. But you're in charge of it, ladies and gentlemen. Get those flags in the air for the king of spice, the one and only Ranveer Ching.
हैप्पी दिवाली, हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को. So lovely to see all the familiar faces. So lovely to see you, sir, ma'am, all the senior journalists with us here today for this grand and glorious event, the new edition of Ching. 11 साल हो गए, sir. 11 years I've been the brand ambassador of Ching's. This is one of my first ever endorsements.
Put your hands together. This does not happen often.
It's quite rare, you know, more than 10 years to be associated with a brand, but I feel like it's my own. Where is Ajay sir? I don't say Ajay sir. Where's the main man? Ajay sir nahi aaye.
But Deepika is here.
कहाँ है Ajay sir?
पहुंच रहे होंगे.
अच्छा. Okay, I must speak about Ajay sir. Ajay sir has treated me like a true collaborator in this journey. He invited me to be a part of the creatives from the very beginning. And over the years, we built a reputation for doing something innovative and disruptive in the world of advertising. So many occasions, it's become a case study, the kind of stuff we made and put out there. It's always a blast, and he's always thinking bigger and bigger and bigger. You know, he's not one to rest on his laurels. So he's always wanting to make our presentation and the appeal of our brand larger and bigger. So it was his idea to get this man on board to make the biggest one yet. Not many people know this, sir, with, or rather without your permission, I will tell everybody that many, many years ago, before he became a household name in Jawan and became the biggest director in India, I had messaged him after, I think, the release of Marsal. I was like, sir, I love your cinema. You should come to Mumbai and we should make some movies together. This is back then. So I've always wanted to collaborate with Atlee sir. He's been such a dear friend to me over the years. And it's always great hanging out with him. So to be working with him and his super duper awesome team being in front of the lens of Mr. G.K. Vishnu, what a great honor, what a great delight. And I happened to visit him on his set of his current film because my wife was shooting with him. And you may have heard this before, but you can hear it from me, take it from me. He is creating something that you will have never experienced in Indian cinema before.
Woot!
Round of applause
Yay!
for the man. Thank you for doing this for us, sir. I love the movie. It put a big smile on my face when I saw it. And it's all you, sir. King of Masala. And it's only appropriate that he would direct the definitive presentation of Chings. Coming to this fine gentleman on my left. बॉबी सर के लुक के बारे में क्या ख्याल है आपका? Isn't he looking hot and spicy? देखो बॉबी सर को देखो, हम सुधर गए, बॉबी सर बिगड़ गए. हाँ, इतना लोहा पेल रहे हैं कि आजकल स्लीव्स का नामो निशान नहीं है. स्लीव्स नहीं होते, जहां देखो बॉबी सर डोले शोले. I love it, Bobby sir. I'm here for it. I'm all here for it. What a great honor it is for me to be collaborating with Bobby sir. You know, I'm a 90s baby, and it's no secret that I've grown up on 90s Hindi movies. So they are all my heroes. You know, they say "Tu to sabko bolta hai," but that's a fact. I've grown up on Hindi movies from the 90s, so all the heroes from the Hindi movies of the 90s are all my heroes. I've had the great privilege of working with so many of them: Anil Kapoor, Govinda ji, Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Khanna, Madhavan, Ajay sir, Akshay sir, and now Bobby sir, whose first movie I went to see in the theater. तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ. तुझसे बिछड़ने डरती हूँ. लव तुझे लव में Jungle Boy. You know, everybody talks nowadays about Animal and about Bads of Bollywood, which has become one of the biggest streaming shows of all time. A round of applause for the Bads of Bollywood, led by this fine gentleman, this fine artist. It was such a blast to be with him. It is undoubtedly the Lord Bobby Renaissance era, and I'm all here for it. I saw it before it happened, honestly. Before you all knew it, I was like, Bobby sir is on to something. I saw Love Hostel. If you haven't, you can catch it. Yeah, right? Too good, no? Just his eyes. And Bobby sir, thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for taking time out, Atlee sir, Bobby sir, out of your busy schedules and being with us here today. This wouldn't have been as grand or glorious without your presence here, which brings me to Sri Leela, the real national crush. I think it came out in the news that Sri Leela and I would be working on something. So from 4 bungalows to Bangalore, I'm getting messages from my friends and all my cousins and all people like, Sri Leela, bro, what are you working with Sri Leela, bro? A friend of mine came out of Pushpa. He was like, man, the best thing was that girl in the Kisik song. He's like, man, if you ever meet her, you make me meet her. And this is somebody who doesn't watch too many movies either. So I think Kisik was a great big breakthrough. I think my cousin from Bangalore also, he was like, bro, Sri Leela, please just get me a picture with Sri Leela. So there was all of this excitement. I'm very excited to see her Hindi debut. She's working with one of the finest filmmakers of our film industry, Mr. Basu. I'm really looking forward to that movie. And thank you for doing this with us, Sri Leela. It was really fun working with you. I think she's extremely beautiful and talented. This everybody knows. But what I can tell you is that she has an absolutely stellar, unquestionable work ethic, which is why I believe she's going to be one of the biggest stars in the years to come.
Wow.
That I will let you enjoy what this man has created. I think it's about that time. Let's, sir?
Let's go, I guess.
Let's play it.
Ranveer Singh, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, boys and girls.
और मालकिन
कुछ भी.
पिक्चर शुरू करें मालकिन. आपको कुछ कहना है मालकिन?
10 साल का प्यार बताना है.
जफ्फी वाले.
So,